Welcome back to Amazing Food MN. Today, I'm going to show you something that every person needs in life: basic cooking skills. Yes, the simple skills that help you cook delicious food, save money, stay healthy, and enjoy your time in the kitchen. If you feel scared of cooking, if you feel lost when you hold a knife, if your meals never taste the way you want, don't worry. After watching this video, you will feel more confident, more skilled, and ready to cook amazing meals at home. So let's start learning the basic cooking skills everyone should know. Cooking is not difficult. Anyone can learn it. You just need simple steps, basic tools, and a little practice. In this video, we will learn the most important cooking skills that every beginner should know. 1. Learn how to use a knife. A knife is the most important tool in the kitchen. When you use it correctly, cooking becomes easier and faster. Heavy checkmark: hold the knife properly. Hold the handle with your fingers wrapped around it. Keep your thumb on the side. This gives you control. Heavy checkmark: use a cutting board. Always cut on a board. It keeps your knife sharp and protects your hands. Heavy checkmark: learn basic cuts. Start with these simple cuts. Slice, long, thin pieces. Dice, small square pieces. Chop, rough, simple cuts. Practice slowly. Do not rush. With time, you will get faster. 2. Wash and prepare ingredients. Before cooking, you must prepare your ingredients. Heavy checkmark: wash vegetables. Rinse them under clean water to remove dirt and chemicals. Heavy checkmark: remove bad parts. Cut out bruised or spoiled sections. Heavy checkmark: organize ingredients. Put chopped vegetables, spices, and sauces in separate bowls. This makes cooking fast and stress-free. This step is called mise en place, which means everything in its place. 3. Learn how to boil. Boiling is one of the easiest cooking methods. Heavy checkmark: how to boil water. Fill a pot with water. Put it on medium or high heat. Wait until you see bubbles rising. Heavy checkmark: what you can boil. Eggs. Pasta. Potatoes. Rice. Start with boiling, then simmer. Heavy checkmark: salt the water. Adding salt makes the food more flavorful. Boiling is perfect for beginners because it's simple and safe. 4. Learn sautéing. Sautéing means cooking food quickly in a little oil. Heavy checkmark: steps to sauté. Heat a pan on medium heat. Add 1 or 2 spoons of oil. Add chopped onions, garlic, or vegetables. Stir with a spoon. Cook until soft or lightly brown. This is great for stir-fried vegetables, chicken bites, or quick meals. 5. Learn how to season food. Seasoning is what makes food taste good. Heavy checkmark: basic seasonings. Salt. Black pepper. Red chili. Garlic. Onions. Lemon juice. Soy sauce. Herbs like coriander or parsley. Heavy checkmark: taste while cooking. Taste your food during cooking. Add more salt or spices if needed. Good seasoning turns simple meals into delicious meals. 6. Learn how to fry safely. Frying uses hot oil, so be careful. Heavy checkmark: safety tips. Always heat the oil on medium heat. Add food slowly to avoid splashes. Do not fill the pan with too much oil. Keep children away from hot oil. Heavy checkmark: foods you can fry. Eggs. Chicken. Fish. Vegetables. Snacks like fries. Frying makes food crispy, but do it safely. 7. Learn how to boil rice perfectly. Many beginners struggle with rice. Here is an easy method. Wash the rice 2 to 3 times. Add 1 cup rice plus 2 cups water. Add a pinch of salt. Boil on medium heat. When water gets low, lower the heat and cover it. Cook for 10 minutes. Your rice will come out soft and fluffy. 8. Learn how to cook eggs. Eggs are simple, fast, and cheap. Heavy checkmark boiled eggs. Boil for 7 to 10 minutes. Heavy checkmark fried eggs. Heat oil, crack the egg, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Heavy checkmark scrambled eggs. Mix eggs with salt and pepper. Cook in a pan and stir gently. Eggs are perfect for breakfast and snacks. 9. Learn basic spices and herbs. Every cuisine uses spices. Heavy checkmark common spices. Salt. Pepper. Turmeric. Cumin. Paprika. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Heavy checkmark herbs. Basil. Coriander. Mint. Parsley. These add flavor, color, and aroma to food. 10. Learn how to taste and adjust. Good cooks always taste their food. Heavy checkmark check flavors. Ask yourself. Is it too salty? Is it too spicy? Is it too bland? Heavy checkmark adjust. Add lemon if it's too salty. Add water if it's too spicy. Add salt if it's bland. Cooking is about balance. 11. Use the right tools. You don't need expensive tools. Just basic ones. A sharp knife. Cutting board. A pot. A frying pan. A wooden spoon. Measuring cups. A mixing bowl. With these tools, you can cook almost anything. 12. Keep your kitchen clean. Cleaning is part of cooking. Heavy checkmark clean while cooking. Wash small dishes as you go. Wipe the counter if something spills. Heavy checkmark after cooking. Wash your pans and knives. Keep your kitchen dry and organized. A clean kitchen helps you cook better and faster. 13. Start with simple recipes. Do not try advanced recipes at first. Start with easy recipes like fried rice, omelette, vegetable stir-fry, simple pasta, boiled potatoes, grilled chicken, sandwiches. Simple recipes build your confidence. 14. Practice every day. Cooking is a skill. The more you cook, the better you become. Try one new skill every week. Soon, you will be cooking like a pro. Thank you for watching Amazing Food MN. I hope these basic cooking skills help you feel more confident in the kitchen. Remember, cooking is not about perfection, it's about practice, patience, and enjoying your food. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Amazing Food MN for more simple and tasty cooking videos. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!